Yo, what you saying, it's your boy now, JAWC, and jeez, hey, come on, alright people, fam, do not get me gassed. It is midnight currently in the UK, yeah, and there's a new tune coming out, and on this tune, there's H and DBE, like, fam, what is that collab? Alright, that's madness. Alright, that is actually madness, fam. Please explain to me, why is it getting released so late? Listen, I've got work in the morning, yeah, man's tired, people are in bed. How are you not doing this to me? You get me? I'm surprised my mom not coming and beat my ass because yo, it's kind of late and I'm kind of loud right now. But people, the thing's premiering in a hot second, so yo, oh come, let's go and wait for the premiere. Come on, people, here is the premiere thing. Go listen, man is ready for bed. Fam, man's even got his dewy on, yeah. Man, he's got his do-rag on. Fam, look at my eyes. Right, man's ready for bed, but you know what? Yeah, I cannot miss this, fam, because this tune's gonna go hard. I'm gassed. You lot, tell me what you lot think of this as well, because fam. I think it's gonna be a mazza from DBE and H. H goes hard. Adz and LB goes hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is gonna be a madness. This is gonna be a madness. But yo, come. I'll catch you when it goes into it. Come on. Alright, people. Here we are. Yeah, 5 seconds. Come on. I'm gassed. This is gonna be cold. Come. So if DB don't mention pussy at least once. I took some molly now, looking like an alien. I'll do you well, so well. Let's do drop before we fuck, I'm fucking space again. Oh my, I'm way too much, I don't know what to say. I do you well, so well. The girl bad, she going through a phase. Oh, I'm amazed. Pretty pink toes, looking like a figure eight. I treat you well, so well. Pretty pink toes looking like the figure eight. What? Hold on. She a smart bastard, she be single all summer. But she a bag of footballer for the winter. Fuck the rap beef, 30 round drama. Just shoot your tour bus, shoot a sprint like. Fam, no, you can't switch it up like this, watching me, fam. H, fam. Wait, hold on. What's happening?
Yo, fam. Where's LB?
Oh, fam, wait, what? Fam, I'm back.
Where's LB?
Where's LB at, bro? From the visuals,
yo,
oh my god. Fam, you don't appreciate the visuals on this, fam. Yo. This is a madness. I get some white to my white girl. Me and my brown thing just blow trees. Open my Louis back, ooh, Open your mouth down in 4 speed. I said, baby, I'm a pro, you man a rookie. You ever had a drug dealer in your pussy? You ever had a short corner? Have you ever had a drug dealer in your pussy? Tapping on the neck till you get stabbed out. I'm on the slab out, about to bust the pot down. Can't afford a pot down. Lungs full of ganja, and I told him bring the money, manana. Oh my, I'm way too much. I don't know what to say. Cold. You well, so well. The girl bad, she going through a phase. Hey, I don't understand that bar,
fam. Colombiana, some big titties and slim waist. Bust it open in motion, don't make no mistakes. I might lick it a little to see how it tastes. Finger foot with my rollie on, I got wrist ache. Left the
fam. DBE, yeah, I'm playing, fam. Man's gonna lick it and see how it tastes, fam. This tune's mad. This tune's actually a madness. I don't even like pausing premieres, but yo, this tune's cold.
Ripped up tea, paid rats for a tits, got her lips done cheap. You roll with H,
paid a rat for a tits, got her lips done cheap.
With white boys, but she still fuck me. You ever had a millionaire in your pussy? Let her flex the plain Jane or where the boss at. She pops a pill and told me fuck me till it's gusher. Asked me what my type is, I just told her I ain't fuss her. She fucked with London till I brought her up to Manor. Got her squirting when I choke her, she a baddie. I ain't beefing with your ex, the boy a party. Got about £200,000 of jewelry in the taxi.
Oh my, amazing.
Too much, I don't know what to say. I do you well, so well.
The way this is produced is a madness, oh my god. I'm amazed. Figure 8. I treat you well, so well. Young rich nigga really fucking paid. Yeah, I'ma cover my pain with these shades.
I cover my eyes with Cartier. And we never go to party cause my niggas catch a bodyguard. Rubber smoke, we done chill and taste it. I get you Dior for your trainers, but we never go on dates. Girl, what's your pussy for a E? I'm gonna wait. 1,000 for my trainers, yes, I got them from LA. My dentist 8,000, told them make my teeth straight. I'm lit, I'm high, and I swear I ate a pussy all night. And I brought this codeine for the vibes. I got them flying couple hours, she said one more time.
Oh, wow, wait.
Too much, I don't know what to say. I do you well, so well. The girl bad, bad, going through a phase. Oh,
I'm amazed.
Pretty pink
Toes looking like a figure eight.
I treat you well, so well. I'm rich nigga, really fucking pay.
Cold. Cheers. I people, H and DBE. Fam, can you not explain to me, yeah, why that tune was called? Fam, I understand what it's called, but fam, I knew it was gonna, fam, like them sort of tunes that they do. H fits so well onto it because obviously that's what H is about as well. You get me? Or H loves all this gal, this pussy, and what it's and all that. But fam, no, the tune's hard. The tune is actually hard. The only bar that I really didn't get, yeah, from Young Adz was Pretty Pink Toes looks like a figure eight. Like fam, like I'm still trying to process that in my head. Like I don't know if that's just some next mad bar, yeah, that's just gone straight over my head. But fam, Pretty Pink Toes, like Pretty Pink Toes looking like a figure eight. Fam, how can Pretty Pink Toes look like a figure eight? Like I'm kind of lost. Like I don't know if there's something that I'm literally not kicking on. So if you don't understand that, yeah, comment down below because yeah, that was literally gone straight over my head. Like I don't know if it's because it's like midnight and fam, I'm just tired. But yo, people, the tune was cold. The tune was cold. The tune's called what? I think it's called UFO. Yeah, it's D Block Europe H UFO. Fam, the tune's cold. The tune's hard. Fam, the way that was directed, yeah, the way that was edited. Mad. That was a movie. So yo, if you did enjoy that video, yeah, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe, and make sure you head over to GRM Daily or Grime Daily, depending on what you call it, and make sure you go and check that out, stream that, and the rest of it with family. That was cold. That was so hard. But yo, people, say I don't have to say nothing else. Man's gonna bang that on right now again, yeah, and listen to it all the way through while I'm editing this. But yo, people, that's gonna be it from me. It's been your boy now, JAWC. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe. Everyone go follow my Instagram as well. And that's going to be it for me. Come on, gang. Jesus. DBE and H UFO. Come on.
I'm way too much. I don't know what to say. I do you well, so well. The girl bad, bad, going through a phase. Oh, I'm amazed. Pretty pink toes looking like the figure eight. I treat you well, so well.
Pretty pink toes looking like the figure eight. What? Hold on.
She a smart bad bitch. She be single all summer. But she a bag of footballer for the winter. Fuck the rap beef, 30 round drama. Just shoot your tour bus, shit.